Shall we go to the beer shop? Yeah, sure, man. Let's go. Hold up. There's though two of them are very suspicious. Let me go check on them. What the hell are you doing, man? What the hell, man? Hey, yo! Chill with the gun, man. And I ain't no fight here. What? I said no fight here. I said no fight here. Nah, you're really suspicious. I'm gonna kill you. Hey, Kyle, take this. Hey, you trying to fight me? Come on, let's fight. No, shut it, bro. You die. Time to die. Put that knife away. Let's go. Fight that. Let's go. Dang, that's a nice entrance. Let's go there. Yeah, I guess. Let's go. Too close. Hurry up. Okay. I'll hurry up. Go. Damn! Yo! That's a nice beer. You think this is the right spot? I don't know. Let's see. Let's go there. Hey, sir. Hey, sir. What is it? What is it? So, can you help me get some beer? Like, you know, like beer, like beers. What? You mean this? No. I will never do that. If you don't do that, this will happen to you. Hey, you tried to fight, man? Nah, bro, what the hell are you doing? Nah, you tried to fight? Come here. Let's one fight, man. Come fight, man. It's your fault, you stupid. Nah, come here, bro. Let's fight. Let's fight. Yeah. Ouch. Nah, you really got in my nerves. I'm gonna kill you. Nah, not today. Hiya, Manny Pacquiao. Damn it. Oh, give me that bottle. You're so mean. Yeah. Yeah, boosh. Yeah, boosh. You're going to die. Yeah. Nah, you had enough. I'm gonna get some more. Wait, oh no. Yeah. Bro, you just revealed your identity. Nah, are you the one who is over 12 billion bounty, huh? Yeah, I'm that guy. Nah, you're dead to me. Your head is mine. I'm gonna get that money. Yo, chill. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god. Okay, don't worry, bro. I'ma help you. Take this. Yeah. Yeah. Get out of here. Get out. Hey, yo, what the hell, man? Nah. Oh shit. Oh man. Nah, I'ma kick this. I'ma kick this. I'ma punch this. Yeah. Oh hell no. Oh. You're so dead to me. I'm going to kill you. This guy. Wait, I know you. You're the bounty hunter. Nah, I'm gonna kill you. You're that one. You're the criminal. Yup. Ouch. Nah. Tung. No, not for me. You really want to test my patience, huh? I'm gonna kill you before you feel pain. I'm gonna kill you. Hold on. Let me get out of this guy. Yeah. Take this. Yo, you just love my. Oh, what the hell? Oh my god. Oh. Nice guy. That guy is going to dead. Take this. Wait, again. Take this. One. Damn it, bro. Finally. Oh my god, my leg. Yo, chill. Nah, no fight, man, no fight. Nah, you just killed one of my friends. No, you die. No, don't do that. Don't do it. I got gun. Wait, I can get it. Oh yeah, here. Damn it, bro. Why did you have to do this? You hurt my friend. Now I will help you. But you hurt my friend also. Are you crazy? Nah, you are. No. I'm gonna die. I'm alive. Let's go outside. Move, man. They called police. We can go outside. Wait, oh no, I accidentally. We need to get the gun. Here, take one. Yeah, sure. Shall we do it? Okay, let's do it. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Wait a minute. No, don't go. Oh, hell no. Let's get out of here. There's one. Oh no 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 no. I need to go. I need to go inside. Damn it. Damn it, man. Why? Why? I need to go. Oh my god, I need to go. I need to go. I need to go save my friend. But my friend is already dead. No. No. He's dead. Yo, what the hell? What the hell is that? Nah. You're the one who... Oh no. Damn it, bro. Let me get... Take this. Whoosh. I miss it. Goodbye. Oh my god. I'm gonna kill you. You pay for this.